Samsung is set to make waves in the Smartring market with its newest innovation, the Galaxy Ring. Targeted at fitness and health enthusiasts, this advanced wearable device promises to provide comprehensive health tracking in a sleek and stylish form. While smart rings have been a niche product until now, Samsung's entry into this market could significantly shift its dynamics, especially following the high-profile usage of similar technology by the England men's football team. Ben Wood, an analyst at CCS Insight, finds Samsung's move into the smart ring sector quite intriguing. His company forecasts that by 2025, the global market for smart rings will reach around 4 million units. The Galaxy Ring is designed to offer users an extensive range of health metrics, including sleep patterns, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, skin temperature, and workout data. These metrics are processed with the help of AI within the Samsung Health app, which provides users with tailored health recommendations and insights based on their individual data. Samsung's Galaxy Ring is poised to be a major competitor to the Oura Ring, which has been a dominant force in the market and is widely acknowledged as one of the top fitness trackers available. However, the Galaxy Ring sets itself apart by being exclusively compatible with Samsung smartphones. This could be a decisive factor for potential buyers who are already integrated into the Samsung ecosystem. In contrast, the Oura Ring offers versatility by working with both Android and iPhone devices. Aesthetically, the Galaxy Ring is available in 3 sophisticated colors: black, silver, and gold. Priced at $399, it occupies a premium segment of the wearable technology market. The introduction of the Galaxy Ring at the Galaxy Unpacked Summer 2024 event underscores Samsung's dedication to pushing the boundaries of health and fitness technology. By blending advanced health monitoring capabilities with the convenience of a smart ring, Samsung aims to make health tracking both more accessible and more intuitive for users. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy Ring represents a significant advancement in the wearable technology sector. Its combination of cutting-edge health tracking features, AI-driven insights, and seamless integration with the Samsung Health app makes it a valuable tool for those looking to monitor and improve their health. Despite its limitation to Samsung smartphones, the Galaxy Ring's impressive features and sleek design are likely to attract a considerable number of users, further solidifying Samsung's position in the competitive landscape of health-focused wearables. Stay tuned to Daily Technologies for more updates on the latest innovations and tech trends.